Hey y'all, hey, we are finally starting our day and we are making our way to the mountain. Oh dang it, honey, I didn't bring my stick with me. Not a walking stick, but a stick for me to be able to record so y'all can get some of that action. Okay, we'll have to figure it out, prop it up against a rock or something, but we'll see what we can do. Hey y'all, hey, so we're on the mountain. We are walking, about to do a photo shoot. And I'll let you know later what the photo shoot is for. So we have made it to the top of the destination point where we wanted to go.